now he's on camera, he can lift it. Don't put that in my... Alright, so that's how we start off this video. This is Carl's Garage, brought to you by Straight Outta Content. Today, we are doing a small video. I got my son here, Donovan's Domain. I got my son here, Donovan's Domain. We're going to the junkyard. Well, not really junkyard. We're going to the scrap yard here in Houston, Texas, because I got some rotors. When I replaced the rotors, don't forget to go check out that video. I put drilled and slotted rotors on my car. So today, to go get a couple extra bucks and teach this boy how to recycle and teach him how to, how to go and get your name known at all the different junkyards and stuff like that, because you can get a lot of deals on cars if you get to know your local junkyards, your local scrap yards and stuff like that. You get a lot of deals and you can recycle your parts. So anything you take off your car, if it's metal, you can go back and get a little bit of money for it. So that's what we're doing today. This place actually takes batteries. So stay tuned. Our vlog for today with me and Donovan's Domain. Don't forget to check out his channel and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so that you can be notified for all the latest videos that are coming to Straight Outta Content. We got all types of content, gaming content, merch content, silly dancing content. Let me see you dance. You name it, we got it on the channel. But the most of all, and the best content that we got is car content, definitely. So he already put the old rotors back here. Got the rotors right there. Got another set of rotors over there. Trying to clean out the garage. We cleaned it out pretty good. Cleaned it out as good as we could. We're headed to go to
the scrap yard?
The scrap yard, yeah, look, see? They got a young brain, so they know what they're doing. All right, guys, yeah, that's what we're going to do. Okay, so you guys can see which place we're going to. We are going to, let's get that on focus. Arsham Metal Industries, Inc. I think I'm pronouncing that right. Arsham, is that how you pronounce that, D? Psych, I'm just playing.
No.
I don't know, but that's where we're going. That's the place. I just searched it in my local area to find out. So giving them a shout out. If you need to recycle anything, we have rotors. That's the drilled and slotted box that it can. Hey, check that box. Make sure I'm not throwing throwing away anything important. Make sure I ain't throwing away. Always check your boxes before you throw them away. You don't want to throw away anything good. Okay, yep. So those are all 4 rotors and a battery, and they accept everything. Okay, you can go and close it. So yep, so that's where we're going. It's only 16 minutes away, so we're gonna head there to that place. Oh man, look, Straight Outta Content. If you need a decal, make sure you hit us up for the decal. So, all right, you ready to go? Oh, you got the other decal on the door? That's right, you got the other decal on the door. So, all right, you ready? All right, pulling out of the garage. Carl's Garage. We're pulling out of, where'd he go? Did I bring the kid? Donovan. Oh, there you go. All right, I didn't know where he was. Yeah, we're pulling out of the garage. We're pulling out of Carl's Garage. You know what I mean? Pulling out of there, headed to our destination. Young man, these are things that I used to do with my father. I think that's it. Damn sure I don't know how to pronounce it, but I think that's it. Here we go now, open cans, iron, copper, you name it, motor, stainless steel. Arsham Metal Industries. Okay, well make sure you guys come here. If you're in Houston, Texas, come here to get all your metal done. All right, so this is the place. This is the place. You got a bunch of cars here. Okay, so it looks like that whenever you come here, you gotta park here in these spots. You know what I mean? You gotta park there in these spots first, and then you gotta kind of wait. That guy, he's just bringing in his stuff. I don't know if they're gonna take it or not. This car, this truck, that van, and those other trucks, they got stuff all in the back. I got big trucks pulling in behind me. I probably should move up. I'm a little close. They don't really tell you how to get around, but hey, we're just gonna wait. We got the stuff in the trunk. I already talked to the guy up there, so just stay tuned. And yeah, we're gonna see how this day goes, how this ends up working out. But they are letting us record, so that's pretty cool. All right, so we're here. I got the rotors in my trunk. Right there, I got a battery. Yeah, here? All right. All right, yeah, so they come and get it. All right, so about 5 minutes, we gotta bring it back here to bring these pieces whenever he's ready. So I guess we're just gonna wait and see what happens once we bring this metal, but we got it all ready to go. So I think they're gonna come and get it. They got some other people in line before us, so we're just gonna see what they got, see how this process works. Check out some other scrap yards. I got the next spot in line. I had to move my truck. They come and take it. The rotors. I got my key. You ready? You watching? Make sure you watch. Got the 2 rotors. Yep, so they come and take it out the back of your car. You gotta wait in line, so you'll wait in line, and then whenever your turn is next, they'll come and take it for you, take it from you. He got the battery over there on his thing. We just wait, you got some more people pulling up here. So, yeah, that's it. Do we wait or go over here? Okay, so we gotta wait. I'm gonna close my trunk. We're gonna follow the guy. Got our stuff right there, riding it out. It's your first time at the junkyard. Hey, babe. Flash Custom Designs. Daddy needs a truck. I'm looking crazy out here at this little bitty Kia.
Yes.
We need a truck. What am I looking? Am I looking crazy? Ain't I looking crazy? I look like him.
car.
With that little car, I look like him by myself out here. It's crazy. I need a truck. I need a Big Daddy truck. All right?
Basically, he's me in a car, but surrounded by a bunch of adults.
Exactly. Look at that. Look how smart that boy is. Look, that's crazy. I'm looking crazy out here. So this is where they got everything. They got everything in here. They got all different types of stuff here. Here, they got copper wire. I don't know what type of wire that is. Got this type of wire. They got everything.
What is
You
this?
need,
Is that-
I don't know. But if you got metal, this is the place to come to drop it off. It's right here off of 290. Just pull your car up. I know, look, they got all types of aluminum. You need to recycle. This is the place you come to. Oh, look, they got engines. Yeah, this is an engine. You never seen an engine? This is an engine. I don't even know what engine this is. Look for the spark plugs. So spark plugs indicate basically how many cylinders. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a V6. And this is a transmission.
What does that do?
It makes it move. This goes to the back of that, and that makes it move.
What?
Yeah, that's an engine and a transmission. That's your first time seeing it. Here at Carl's Garage, showing you guys engines and all types of stuff. Oh, there's another engine. That looks like a V8 over there. That little 4-cylinder right there. That little 4-cylinder right there.
What is this?
This one right there, guys. Look at that little 4-cylinder.
What is this?
That looks like a part of a downpipe. All right, so my guy here, he told me to come over here. I don't know if he's for me or I think they already got us. I think the other guy already got us. Oh, he already got it. He got it. Yeah. Yep. Control arms. Yeah, that's what gives the suspension for the car. Got control arms.
Psycho what?
Yeah, I'm teaching him. Yep.
He's doing the same thing too.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah.
He just make it 100. Come.
174?
Yeah.
It's Carl's Garage. What's your name?
Edgar.
Edgar. How much money did you make today recycling?
174 with 10 cents.
174. How many pounds did you have to bring?
It's a lot. The pound is so much because it's different material.
It's different material?
Yeah.
Okay. Which truck is yours?
Different material.
This one right here? So you had the whole bed of the truck filled up
Yeah,
for 100 and how much?
174.
174 bucks. So that's a good amount of money for the day. How old are you?
16.
He's only 16. See? Look at that. See, D? All you have to do is go around. So is that what you do for the summer? You kind of...
Yeah, that's
No,
what I do.
basically, like I am an AC technician. He's my son.
Okay.
So everything I recycle, I keep him for him, so he can buy equipment for the school, shoes, or whatever he wanna do.
Exactly. See, that's what we're here.
You know, we don't throw away nothing. We keep it in the house until we keep it a lot, and then he came to sell it.
And then he gets to keep the money?
Then he keep it the money.
You see?
For him.
That's exactly what Carl's Garage is about, is teaching you. We got a father and son here. We got a father and son here. And that's what Carl's Garage is about. It's about teaching your children how to make money on their own.
And a good environment and everything like that. You know, it's like a weed, make a little bit money, and we help with the environment too.
Exactly. Yep, see, recycling and stuff like that, that's good, man. That's good to see a father and son out here, man. You guys be safe. Thank you so much. See? How much money do you think you're gonna make today?
I don't know.
I don't know, man, but see, that's how you gotta recycle, man, and work hard. You got 160-something bucks. How much is that in V-Bucks?
500 million.
500 million, what? How many things could you buy on Fortnite with that?
About 500 skins.
Not me, papi. I don't know, I'm the little car.
500 skins and 15 dances.
500 skins and 15 dances. Hey, listen. If you guys want him to have 500 skins and 15 dances, make sure you leave likes and comments and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you also subscribe to his channel, Donovan's Domain. We're gonna be doing a lot of things for that. But in the meantime, we're gonna be busting our butt trying to get this money.
Yes, we will.
Oh, there's our rotors. There's our rotors going with all the other auto parts. Ah, yeah, here we go, buddy.
Paper.
No, to get paid. I'm gonna let you get the money, okay? All right, so we're coming inside. They took our rotors. Now it's time to get paid. You got 8 whole bucks. Look at that. For those little rotors, you got like $2 a rotor. Something. What are you gonna get with your money?
I don't know.
Nothing. You're gonna save it. Always save your money. So we got 8 bucks. We got 8 bucks, man. We're gonna invest that $8. Oh, look at that. Look at the money, Poppy. Here you go, buddy. 8 bucks. Oh, make sure you get that quarter. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for letting us come to your establishment. This place is great. How do you pronounce the name?
Company?
Yeah.
Archer Metal.
Oh, that's hard.
Archer
Arsha
Metal.
Metal.
Yeah.
All right. Arsha Metal, scrap metal. Make sure you guys come here. If you guys have any scrap metal that you need to get rid of, got my man, Jesus.
Yes.
Come see my man, Jesus, at the scrap metal place. All right, guys. D, how much money did you get? Where you at?
$8.
8 whole dollars? What? What are you gonna do with it?
Save it.
Save it. All right, guys. It's Carl's Garage. We're headed out. We're going home. I don't know what we're going to do next, but make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified for all the new car videos, guys. Peace.